So we have the box, KEiiD, desktop multimedia clock speaker, retro look and modern functions. You can take USB, radio, Bluetooth, SD card or aux in, 3.5 headphone audio out, dome and tweeter, equalizer, DSP, clock and date with dual alarms, and a 30 to 188 minute timer. Okay. Customer support, instruction booklet, styrofoam with cable, aux cable, power cord, FM antenna, small remote control, here's the unit itself. Wrapped in plastic. It has a very nice solid feel. So there it is. It is very handsome. I'm sure it's a laminate, but it feels like a very high quality laminate with a wood texture. Yeah, it's actually textured in there. Buttons feel nicely clickable. Nothing on the bottom or the sides. The grill has a slight marking there, maybe a little bit of grease or something. And on the back we have the power switch, base ports, very clicky, very satisfying, power, antenna, micro SD, or they call it TF, USB, aux in, and headphones.